another thing we can do is actually have a look and see how the organization's doing as a whole, overall, just a little quick snapshot, just to see how we're tracking. Now, what I'm going to show you is the test organization for BetterWays. So you can see there's a lot of things happening and not everything's been resolved yet. Let's have a look. Over in the menu, we go to BetterWays Pulse. Click that. And what we're shown is a bit about our actual workplace. So there's 47 of us who are members at BetterWays. Together, we've shared 37 different experiences, of which only 0 have been made right at the moment. So that has to change. And we can also see that there's been some high fives awarded. High fives being those a little pat on the back for doing things that the community values and appreciates, like uploading resources that people like, interacting, providing advice, getting involved. So just quickly, what we see on the screen here is each of the different categories of challenges at work. So we've got systems and tools, metrics and rewards, and we can see that we've got 67 red flags here. So there's 67 times that policies have been flagged as, here's something that's causing a real problem. Here's something that has led to an experience that one of the people at my workplace has had. So this is something that has been to the detriment of us. This is something that's led to a bad meeting. This has led to a bullying. This has led to ... And the green flag is just there to show how many of those things have been resolved to date. So in an ideal world, we can have as big a number in the red as we like. So long as that same number is over on the green side, it means everything's been fixed. We've had lots of policy problems, but we have resolved them all. So you can see in this workplace, we've got a lot of work to do. So this is the structural things that are challenging. If we scroll down a bit, we can start to see the things that are impacting our sense of being respected, our sense of feeling trusted, and our sense of being appreciated. So when we were going through and looking at people's individual experiences and we got to tag these things, here's where they all add up. And they give us a snapshot. Again, when an experience is marked as made right, they disappear from these tallies. So if we have big numbers here, it means they're unresolved. So still people are feeling that communication is inadequate, or they're feeling that they're being asked to act against their personal values, that they're feeling micromanaged, or that their extra efforts are not being appreciated. So ideally, we want to see all of these numbers go back down to 0. That's the goal over time. But this is how we get a snapshot of how things are going at our workplace.